Perhaps one of the most popular methods of looking at a problem using the pros and cons method. This is perhaps something that we learn in school about how to weigh up certain pros and cons of a situation. I've put together this table, this very, very quick table, that will help you list out the pros and cons of a situation that you might be faced with. I've also thought about different ways to frame these situations. In other words, advantages, facts, compared to disadvantages and opinions. This can sometimes be helpful when we're trying to differentiate between a pro and a con. We could ask ourselves, what are the advantages of this process or the disadvantages? We could also think about what are the facts of this situation and what are the opinions in relation to the situation. This is a very quick method to use and might be very, very helpful to do as an individual and sometimes in a team where you collaborate around the pros and cons of a specific project.